and compelling reason to grant the applicant entry clearance or permission to stay with the parent who is applying for the entry clearance. Anaasɛ mmienu nyinaa ɔpapa ne nwuiɛ, ɔpapa ne nyeraeɛ, nanso no beebi a abɔfra no te no, abrabɔ a abɔfra no bɔ no, fie a abɔfra no te no, ɔyɛ exposed to risks. Sɛ yɛnso no mu yɛmfa no amma a, abɔfra no bɛsɛe, ɛna abɔfra no abrabɔ no ɔbɛbɔ no nyɛ abrabɔ papa, nti na akɔyɛ serious and compelling reason. A case sɛ yɛmfa mfa tom sɛ ebi abɔfra no sɛ bi ɔyɛ disabled or mental issue kakra, nti no ɔne sɛ no tumi ngye abɔfra se wɔ hɔ, anaa abɔfra no ɔwɔ specific child needs a ɛmɛ biara no ɛsɛ sɛ obi wɔ no ho, ohia 7 days caring a ɛsɛ ɔde bi obiara bɔ no ho ban wɔhwɛ no ɛna ade mbɔfra sei no ɛba ne saa no a na kyerɛ sɛ afɔle under serious or compelling reason, anaasɛ abɔfra no wagye ntɛn ɔne this kind of antisocial behavior, those kind of things, issues bebree ba, nti wotumi gyina so sɛ na abɔfra no ɛba yi sɛ mentumi amfa no amba a na kyerɛ sɛ meyɛ di abɔfra no aborɔ, because situation a ɔwɔ hɔ no ɛyɛ serious and compelling reason. Ne saa nti no home office mesrɛ sɛ moma me akonya na mentumi mfa abɔfra no yɛ dɛ embra, mentumi mfa abɔfra no embra. Nti these are the ways a wobɛtumi afa so sɛ wopɛ sɛ wode wo ba ɛba. These are the ways a wobɛfa so. Ada sɛ wobɛka sɛ woyɛ so parental responsible for the child upbringing. Na yɛka sɛ obi yɛ so parental responsible a, na deɛ yɛpa akyerɛ ne sɛ onipa ko ne nko ara na ɛhwɛ abɔfra no. Nti yɛmfa ne sɛ yaa ɛne yaw ɛna aware ɛna nwa awo efuya. Nti yaa yaw ɔne ne ɛfa yɛfu pɛ na ogya no hɔ. Yaw atɔ nwura mu. Yɛahwehwɛ yaw a yɛhu yaw. Nti yaa ɛna nyame adom bosom nkron no wotumi woe wɔde abɔfra no akɔ hospital saa na abɔfra no ɔkɔ school. Ɔno a na ɔhwɛ baabi a abɔfra no bɛda yɛ bibibiara a yaw no ɔnkura ɔnni contact ɛwɔ afia so. Nti ɛba ne saa no a mmara no kyerɛ sɛ na kyerɛ sɛ wɔyɛ so parental responsible for the child, na kyerɛ sɛ nko ara na ɔhwɛ no. Immigration rule no defining who has a sole parental responsibility. Now, say you define it, you say the sole parental responsibility test comes into play where one of the parents of a child is relocating to the United Kingdom and the other parent remains abroad. And other parent remains abroad. And the other say bakuno ewufie na bakun so akwantum. So if you know what say unu baby obia yes ewufie into our akwantum. In a home office and so define the parental responsibility very clearly. Also, so parental responsible means that one parent has abandoned parental responsibility and the remaining parent is exercising sole control in setting and providing day-to-day direction of the child's welfare. Yes, sir. A general asset here. As I say, oh yes, a jan with jatko. In a nanon in the ABBA. Mary in Casa Janonqua, a to the Binswa. Ada say, and nanon so not said here as so, oh yes, and nanon so on so a jatko. Emma with jab of ato agya no so. And in this case, agya no nko so na ɛhwɛ abɔfra no. And yɛwɔ case bi wɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ case of TD Yemen. Na saa TD Yemen na ɛyɛ yardstick anaa measures a yɛde determine sɛ ampa abɔfra yi anaa ɛnɛ yi okura sole parental responsibility of the child outbringing. Now, the test is not kind. So that case now said the test is not judging and also the test is not whether anyone else has day-to-day responsibility, but whether the parent has continual control and direction of the child's outbringing, including making all the important decisions in the child's life. If not, the responsibility is shared and is not the sole. And the way no patch say, about the same, about a jana part one side and a jai, Nina said it na the other side nkwa na ye bibia efa abofra ne ye no school komo ni hospital baby obeda ne du obedi na de nyina na one parent no nkwa na eya na opa kire se na edimu se parent no oye sole responsibility na emos ambassador dia na akoye share responsibilities. That just say in this case no say ye share responsibility dia na enye wo nkwa na we den wo hwe abofra no na emo no one ɛna no na ana obusua mehu sɛ na two parents no wona mohwɛ abɔfra no enti no sɛ wowɔ ha na sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokɔfa ɔba bi ɛba a either sɛ ɛsɛ wo demonstrate sɛ woyɛ sole parental responsible for the child outbringing nko na wohwɛ no anaasɛ wokyerɛ sɛ agya no anaasɛ ɛna no one side no wewu aka wo nkwa na wo survive na wo de abɔfra no ɛba anaasɛ abɔfra no wɔ serious and comparative risk.
I think we need to look.
Anaasɛ mo mmienu nyinaa mo wɔ ha na mo pɛ sɛ mo yɛ dɛ mo kɔfa abɔfra no ɛba. Nti there are a lot of questions a mempɛ sɛ mɛyɛ teacher mɛyɛ lecturer na mo no mɛsrɛ sɛ nana emre kona meja na questions ne ba na fe ya toatoa so.
Nice one. No ya me da se pa me gidi se questions ne nso de beba pa entino ye mfiti ase na ye mfa omo apagya mu sa o Zoom abusuafo lawyer Ohene Amoa ena eni yene no twetwen komo from Wise Smart Solicitors. And they ka ensem ede efa se oba ewo oman Ghana mu na opese okofa ne ba ene ho ensem anaze nkomo ena ye twetwe anwumre the di kind so no oka about dependence say oh yes skilled worker ewa hanom ansana brand by say obi a o apply for wontimi emfa ne dependent emma no and also oka ho asem ewa hanom Sabri ekwan honmo so wo kwashi bia betimi ede aba impo se nye de waka ho asem na ye general immigration rules ho question na eno so no de ba lawyer ebeboa no yi ano ede ama ti emfa kwasi indiga kwasi bacho omit yourself na fa question
yo lawyer me da wasi bri kwa ni Mr. Osiditu say manizo so my insight in bimefa immigration laws no na indikan ma sem busa ni say fani sɛ mewɔ ha dada ɛna meni nkrataa ɛna makɔhyia babaawa bi a ne ho mefɛ paa ɛna mafa no wɔsan so wɔ ba a mpɛ sɛ nware no na sɛ that case no financial requirement no ɛwɔ sɛ me yere no wɔmitimi saa new financial requirement yɛ anaasɛ san sɛ mewɔ ha dada no deɛ ɛho nhia sɛ wɔmiti saa requirement no ana masɛm bisa no ne wase
yo lawyer wefa eno ama
yo kwasi medase yes sɛ na o kan sɛ meti ase ya na o pa kyerɛ sɛ o wa ha o ni krata ina wakonya udofo bi a megidi se udofo no a owoba no owokrata say because ubetibenya mbacho say
okrata pacho
okay na krata no nso na ewumu ahoro or settlement announce or pre-settlement
or settlement
announce or British
no a settlement EU settlement pacho
right EU settlement no fine now it is clear into no or abofra because of our abofra when you many years say a casa abofra me say me na me or say me the ba and so many more than 20 years
okay over 10 years
10 years that's fine so you share abofra na you phone there mofra no from 0 to 21 and so 10 years you fall within it yes
okay
you can no ubetimi aware wegyina abofra no so anaasɛ waware ne na wegyina abofra no so sɛ ɛba ne saa na wo no wabɛyɛ parent more or less a step child because wobɛgyina abofra no so na wotumi ayɛ na because wobɛgyina abofra no so de ayɛ ne nti no saa immigration rules no sɛ wokɔfa wowɔ two options right wowɔ two options either sɛ ubegyina maame nankasa so sɛ ɛyɛ ɔyere waware as a partner sɛ ugyina ɔno so na ware na as a partner deɛ and the saa immigration financial threshold na ɛba ne deɛ you have to meet it
okay
now there's another route no sɛ ubetumi gyina so as a parent means that in this case you become the step dad of abofra no. And it's a banisana, you are exempt from the financial threshold. So we use exceptional circumstances. Appendix and a paragraph ES1. Paragraph ES1. Exceptional circumstances. So a banisana, the financial threshold, the immigration. The English requirement, the accommodation requirement, now you are exempt from it.
Good.
You don't need to meet anything. You are exempt, totally 100% exempt from it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yo.
That's really lawyer.
And that's the question. And Bacha Bomodi, the lawyer contact better na open any other clarification for next day. Young call a mill a honor. Mill, Bacha, meet yourself here too.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I hope so. Okay. Thank you very much. My question maybe is so Obiba as a student now. Know that I'm not provided some hours or chess or year juma, but one fine year juma no we in school now call for graduate extension. Would they be some delays in that and now they can approve it as fast as enough. It does.
Yo, Mel. Right. Immigration rule no chese. Me say who apply for school as an international student no. My home office aware say o sponsor no a sponsor obibia accommodation, school fees, everything. For that matter, you are not going to depend on anything. Your main aim no come to school. But almost almost say beya unye inactive because a high school will do a the whole week no go twice. You will 3 times a week. And at least obey a little bit active kakra. Until imremo no was say full-time work, yeah. School study, yeah. 20 hours a week. 20 hours a week. After, say, mama point term, no, ubetimi aye any hours where then, ope. Nemo no say, upa. Now, was near Juma, a Jumani de a woho. A Juma employer no. Or the Jumani me who said I can or the you push on you or the from our obeki. And then I said, oh no, I said, oh yeah, never say ubu mrano swa. Next as you breach the immigration rule. So uko renewal, it's going to affect you because we bridge the immigration rule into a panisana. Your renewal no. So now can say BDA is not going to delay, but they will going to refuse you because you have breached the immigration rule. Mami family when you I came as a student, international student. So now you're 18 hours a week. You ask yourself, well, how many hours a day? We have 24 hours a day, but 18 hours a week. Now 18 hours a week, you know, so only Saturday and Sunday pay. And yet the mama say meet me there. And I mention no Sunday so me sorry. So look at the challenges. Many madam for being nearby. Ono nyame adom. Onya ejumani be FNK pa social worker, your first support worker. Utra 60 hours a week. No trapa, utra 60 hours a week. Nana men so no 18 upon because I saw it in me be at work. Because me my yema thing say. And I mean my want to say me by say school. In a minimum so say me bridgia maybe anyone me faso. But ye ba be wie no. E ko hia say ono kra no okofa na yere aba. Ye refuse the first one. Or some for another one. Ye refuse. Third one ye refuse. Ye frustrating na Emma when you crack and view. At the end of things, so what's the son in your ma? Pa organ I mean what I say. Yamia don't mean based on that route. Even though 16 hours no, Yami be a come and be made the mere a buy. Maybe no, be a renew. Yet the money, even though there's nothing in my bank account because they know so I'm not working. But what they are looking at is the honesty. Honesty, no quaridino. Because you can say yes, they have all means, all the banks who account to be within 20 seconds, and as a minute, they can locate all the accounts while you have it. In a way, there's a lot of way to kill a cat. Say, we have to find a way to kill a cat. And the ultimate frame, we can discuss that one later.
It has a the cat never share bottom. And I say the apunya be and there is a way to kill a cat. Bill, ordinary friend lawyer actually.
Okay, medase.
Obi so honoma obechi okra no atwini mu. Thank you. There's a way. Samson, you.
Lawyer, good evening.
Good evening, Samson.
Me the skilled worker and a buy visa and a buy now. A bear expired this year. Me name say me sponsor to bury ama media, but me partner me no wahano or wafa ifuna ebia enchebia ebenyaba. Eno sa no say ekoba say Oma anye me renew ana mamia abofra ba no ba ebetumi ne ejina so nya enkrata wa ha because ono de o asetena wa ha.
So we are skilled worker dependent.
I mean I'm a main applicant.
We are main applicant.
Aye.
Na we yere no we depend on yere depend on so meboa.
Debi.
There is a
ono de me pese me kire say me partner. Me pass me ba ha no. Obi ambisia no ha no wa asetena.
Okay.
Ana yefunu aba. Na yefunu no ba ye no. Me busa say akora ne ba ebetumi aso esi me free. Me sponsorship na ba ono na asetena no wa ha no so ana.
Say enna no e wa asetena me boa.
Me patwai.
Enna no asetena be no wo.
Settled.
You don't need to wait for your COS and as a way to expire it will be too mistake for you to do. Either you switch to a partner route, or you wait immediately. You switch it to parent route. No fee have a skill worker route. Because skill worker route, you have to be there for 5 years, and there's a lot of people wumpa one share people no ntimi ndwure bi. Nti wo akonya ahoro abie say ya onyimi ubetimi switch immediately to the partner route. You don't need to marry the woman. You can be a partner. We call it unmarried partner. Ghana and Quebec say a mprantin. Imrano ma unkwan say utwe mprankra na uyere no wo ye fe no obetimi enena fe obetimi agina no so aye. I know last month no, as at last month na mrano che say wo no ye etna for 2 years. Like in person on the native fear demonstrated say ampa on a nature implant 2 years. Samrano only last 2 weeks no ye year for. They say it doesn't matter, baby. So far as with me actually say a your married partner. Now you are keen to marry, or what you say that you qualify for it.
Okay.
No, or no there. You go another option. The other option say Obama about fan wow. Immediately about fan will pay no be automatic on subenya settlement. Now what by your friend a dad? What be a parent
to
if in this case, you know, for Akorano, no one switch immediately. And the man skill worker no and the winning Ubet switch at any moment from now.
Okay.
The lawyer that's it. Yeah, that's
it. Biananka,
aye. Lawyer Pacho, with me at the number 2 chat tomorrow more Amamia, Kameni Bejipa.
Yo,
my main fact questions went so from the comment section and the chat room. Lawyer Obi Busa said, "Ubet me apply for indefinite leave to remain without life in the UK test." Nana.
The indefinite leave to remain, it is a big no. Because you are so it becomes a requirement. Dachi krano ube here I say oh yeah. So the life in UK no enya de bia e den na eto de bia yenuanu adwane efi ho. Bi tie wani say upese ukoware se bi aigbeni. So kwa upese ukoware aigbeni e dey say usuya se na ye bi akpelefa.
And as I said yes abobobo.
Yes abobobo. Den akpelefa be fa wo fiase. Oh, more or less it's a life in UK, more or less it's like history.
Yeah.
And you know, the only thing is if you are so Kumuhana or Teno or Henen your friend is saying.
That's it.
Or Henen cry, Nema me a friend is saying, and I'm the same. How many public holidays in UK? How many public holidays in UK? How many years in about in ya? By law, no, I saw school. These are all women now. Before women now, ye kabuma ye say life in the UK. So it's not something I did. And the woman the answer obey then. Ubeti me. Oh yeah, wow, you can be why?
Lawyer, my questions.
So I just say if you are woman why exempt from it, when you're 65 years and above. And now say who disabled and mental illness. Oh no, not just say me you're exempt from it. Not just say no, you are exempt from it.
Lawyer, me quite few questions into no yembono to yembreno your 15 minutes to go. Where Busa said regarding the gross income when it comes to financial requirements now, is it the amount that shows on your P60 and now say the amount that shows on your pay slip as the gross? Can you clarify that for us?
Come back again. Is it then?
We are talking about the financial requirement. Say Okofa Oye and I say dependent say initially no na 18,600.
18,600, yeah.
Yeah, economy. Obusa say sa 18,600 no. Amount a show P60 so and I say the 18,600 that shows on your pay slip for the 12 months.
Let me answer in this way. What matters most is at the end of the year, no, your gross, no, and your net gross, no, 18,600.
Okay.
That's the contract agreement who employer no, at the two contract no so. And at the end of the year, no, your P60 no, normally no, your P60 no can deceive you. And sometimes your P60 can also help you. Because uye jumami as a pay as you go. And as a uye jumano yentuya o yarea yentuya oka. And they say no, even though 18,600 no on make us also. Now so no one say bosomi biano uye juma, instead of senanka use unya ebia 2,000 no unya 1,000. And the 1,000 say a very fretty pay slips no so.
Okay.
In a pieces they non so no a very fretty the number of hours and salary waji in a very fretty also. And to be say even though no as I say unya say now so because we are because we do one big money not short. Right.
Okay.
Normally we prefer say we the contract. Contract in the state into or not use.
Okay.
Now sometimes so API ubentimi enya overtime work. Into say we year 20 hours and 30 hours overtime to work with me 40 hours na day. Into be boost more. Into we share your contracted hour salary 18,000 and who calculate amount onya or pay slip monthly beyond say more than that. Into tembiano mobile we prefer say for me no nyina ba nya for ya work ya hwe ne be good amani you choose no be eja ba kwato.
Yo. Lawyer me that's it. And mommy and Pacho person apply for indefinite. Now some person be life in the UK test. Once I know any the amount. Untimi ware ignia o ubeka se undi akole and as on sabo bobo. Any and Pacho bobo more the NCC on akwaye. Happy belated birthday to you, Preston. Yenko Mike Ehono. Mike, please unmute yourself now for a question.
Hello, Pacho. It's my question. Person Busani say, "Many obiaye our rent card our Ghana, 2018, and I'm a bit piano. Second one grandpa or you know a mammy na a problem.
Mommy, you know, mommy, you know how ya Miss fa lawyer number a good screen so no. May the or the mobile number so better we Medina na friend. Why, Mr. Wahai?
Maybe mobile number now to chat.
Why?
077 37 57 2905. 077 37 57 2905. It's not what chat.
Okay, you me that's it. My fat Gina. Gina, unmute yourself now for a question.
Okay, me that's it. Me pacho. Me the skilled workers visa ni bi nearby. Me name me kunu newa. But me wo baby, my wo for ne papa wo Ghana. Enti no me the baby no call Ghana. Akoma ne papa. Enti me busa se ebia they say no enyama mu nyinti na me de ne cross nyame ya na bibia settle me fa ne se bia be 2 years a me pese me kofa baby no eba. Enti na me busa say metumi esa se ne papa ne wo ho na ye ne papa no metumi the baby no class ne papa naba even though me ni mawari na me wa ha say Pacho, they make an what you see.
Nature say what patches what worry me no ana.
There be go there. Oh no, Ghana ne baby ne papa.
Na ne wa ha na.
Mawari. Papers, Mawari wa ha.
Lawyer,
kwa ho de ne bi no.
Lawyer, Mr. Ahaya.
Kwa ho de ne bi.
Me person me share say me to me de me baby me can say me baby father no abba.
Mommy, Mr. O question me tiase lawyer so tiase ba but ontimi yi anu wa ha friend no yi anu ba. Why?
Okay, Matis.
Gina, bobodi aso ye over ye friend nyame adofa normal no na Monday needing komo. Because
and komo bi o the questions beba. Questions so ye ntimi yi anu wa ha. Me da say yen ko eni.
Okay, that's
Yen fa Joyce Ajua Sosu. Joyce, please unmute yourself and ask a question.
Okay. Me Pacho, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Me the COS ni nearby, but at the time of application, no, manfa akola na nka. Inti no with that no, metimi akofa na ba na.
Right. The answer is big yes. With me, it doesn't matter say your application one far and cause so far as over demonstrated say a yoba. Now, I say ubisa who say abofra no neja wa he.
Okay.
Neja wa Ghana.
Pacho ai wewu.
Wewu a owo ubenya death certificate.
Pacho ai.
Ubenya certificate of the cause yes, medical certificate actually the cause of the death because there are two. They say we have the cause of the death and the death certificate.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the cause of the death and medical report no may na what they are answer you know so now they acquire the death certificate, you know. So two certificates you have to get all this thing into your firm get them.
Okay.
Answer because ultimately can get death certificate without the cause of the death certificate.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And near my confuseness, me COS no obi me dependent. Nipa chrono de ne mbane count. By agents now all year am I and one family count because me banning ye dependent ne papa. Until with that no, the me kofa with their certificate and other thing and bring ye alarm say nipa chrono me yeah dependent.
Meba, mommy. And then the questions na bano. Me questions na no ha. Mr. Move and me. Na monti masienso. Esan say you will never know near what ye into Mr. Mo. Question bi o hono na se meka se for lawyer na minim ye nti ameka sa. Edi Mr. lawyer ni number na contact no. Na emi bi na me ye mi hosti lawyer bi. Na lawyer no winning case be against the Secretary of State when it comes to proxy marriage or a Ghanaian woman.
Okay.
Na me hosti no. Na a time came where Daily Mail published an article about this lawyer, and in the article, almost can I say lawyer call media houses actually acquire and go for Nyawari in Ghana and Fambra. Meaning, say they were listening to the program that we were doing.
Yeah.
And you know, the Americans, you know, question be back na make us say for a lawyer, na me sort him as na why?
No, can you please repeat your number again? Sorry.
077.
Okay.
37.
Okay.
57.
Okay.
2905.
2905. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Lawyer, my main kind we so amount. We able to say or no wasitna okuma or around 22-23. Ni papa efimu na abranti ni nana enetie. Obetimi afa kwan bi so akofa ne banaba.
Now the first question said, Bishan said, asitna ba no mo, is it British or EU?
I'm say afina obey. Okay. So I'm going to read here. Maybe I told.
Okay. Mommy answer in the two ways. Say about say or yeah British and I settle our Hana. Won't mean for Abofrana because Abofrana is more than 18 years old. Say about say or yeah EU national and a citizen. Abofrana a year 22 to 23. Obetimi the Abofrana ba nemo say also dependency. Dependency means say say or chire say or no na ohwe Abofrana. Enam say opapa ewu nti ono a nko a na ehwe Abofrana. That's the dependency. And the unit there, it doesn't matter. Abofrana kwenya 60 years, 70 years, ayoba. Ubetimi the naba. Nemo you have to meet the dependency requirement.
Okay. When Subisa say we are dependent on a skilled worker visa route. Na say the main applicant if we more dependent no obey day.
The skilled worker
dependent.
Now we say be we sana patch there.
Yeah.
So we
dependent no better.
Yes. So we have some application you do and it's a bit considered to maintain that route on your own. On your own a bit me abua until say 3 years now what am another 5 years e be san the ono ama ye be ma first ye be ma bia say nwuye that's fine say e would e be ma 3 months na what sort of things after she na dey it's not going to affect you. You make sure say who dependent who may applicant na who depend on so no the current we no omesan e dey ama ono so kwa betime bu ekwa ma wanya indefinite.
Okay, all right.
Sorry,
Mr. Mami Embusa we na membra Zoom so na ye dey show ni baba we here. I'll say if you are so responsible for a child living with your mother in Ghana, whom the child's mother is dead and the child does not know his father since birth, in what way can you use to help this child to join you in the UK?
So this is a complicated issue. One, say Abofrana wo o mame ho more or less na just say Abofrana papa wu nanso owo ne nena ho ne nena na ehwe na home office say e wa adwen say once ne nena ehwe no there's no way ye fair ne nena be ka say mentimi hwe Abofrana di be fa oba nti ono say ometimi obegina so refuse to say that's so parental responsibility doesn't exist because obi wo ho o hwe no. And in this case no as o ye homework yi na open no ma obi foforo na we in again also say papa ne wu so the wo ye wo pa na ese wo demonstrate say ampa papa ne ewu nkwa na aka na wo hwe abofran so bebi owo no so no wo de na ma just a temporary accommodation so obi hwe no so kakra bi ema no na that you ba befa abofran ba. In this case you have to get a letter from the school confirms that you are the surviving parent. You have to get a letter from the GP or the hospital. You have to get a letter from the church. And abofrana we have guidance legal guidance abofrana tenin chanzo. And so say we letter if you confirm say indeed you are the sole parental responsible for the child upbringing because you are the surviving parent. If you're able to meet all these things now, then I don't see why you cannot bring the child to join you in the UK.
All right. Lawyer, my empha Yusuf na and then you may empha Jumedian Brevi and I fact contact details and so etcetera. Yusuf, please unmute yourself and ask a question.
All right, lawyer, I'm part of my question in the say. To say me as a student. And I'm a dependent by my real school, my Jipo said, but Obano, I'm a
obi be taking responsibility say wono ne bane akwala no na akwala nya British passport enti pese be bisa se metime gina no so say bia later
eja also question also question is very tricky for a lawyer.
Okay, you must. And my second question, Mpasho, they say me ko hu lawyer bi na no work say me visa ne be expire, me apply BB, was it just apply for anything? But person who say visa type be na me to apply e bi o me 2 months. Ono kwa there was 60 days here, also me 60 days. Tim person who visa type be na me to apply amenya sa 60 days.
There's no visa route called anything. Every route has a name. Even visit, I am a 60, 6 months, it has a name. Lawyer no visa no, so say anything I visa. So what is anything? Because application form has a name and the form, appropriate form that you have to fill, and you have to pay appropriate fee. So besides say, me call home office website, you find a many anything application affiliate. Now anything application fee no, application form no, nebo saying. There's no application form your friend anything. And you know, so who postgraduate when don't forget say we students no, who student visa no, in our school no, in a switch over postgraduate route. Postgraduate route no, 2 years. More or less Ghana, Quebec say non-national service. Instead after 2 years no, na happen in train ma 2 years no ewu from telephone number number ne access na me ma other options but there's no application form called anything so.
Well, I made that on this note, Obama last words, contact details, the energy media about area. Name on Webusia Fortune and say every Friday be at the same link now or they joining and then you same link now joining every Friday evening, UK time 8 to 9. Your name lawyer Ebesign Eshiam from Wise Smart Solicitors. Lawyer, get you.
Yo, the time so but they ask them adofunu nyina ewo mombra monya mama kwan se mennem ending kita ho efa mrasem na migration no eson yemre nti no even start topic in nyina because there are certain things documentation and you have to get that it proper, do your homework proper. And yes, I'm very refuse so intimi anya and they say bibinas one tias here. My telephone number no 077 37 57 25 2905. We said to me 077 37 57 2905. You Dawson London, East London. Company no Wise Man Solicitor. Ye immigration one, ye employment law, ye litigation, ye immigration, ye Ghanaian customary marriage, what's called family law and employment law. And to be actually why be no but more than answer pa ye telephone number no and family number na afre say open company no so mobile landline no so also ye 020 80 16 5384 na yending komo me who so be besides how much is the consultation yenka consultation no ewo phone no so it depends on everybody's circumstances and you know no matter how your issue is no we can adjust to give you something that you can be able to afford. Why? I mean, should I say, lawyer. Yo, mami, if we are If you are coming, what meet you home?
Right.
I am Patrol. Last word, you know. Hello.
Yeah,
meet you.
You.
I the 0208-016-53. Last one, no man.
84.
No, 5384. Me that's the baby.
Yo, abusia for ahanamu and everybody who cry and then so yadu ABC meeting any and Kwame say to on OT Media TV. Yame ayaduma next week. Yame sign edit lawyer Abro na yakoso atwetwe enkomo eba UK immigration rules and somewhere. And it's bomodi na ka echire wunua no so enjoy here. The same link na odi by user no na fa join here. Yame ayaduma next week. Ahanamu any edit busy. Makram. Bye bye for now.
Hello, this is Lawyer Wisdom of Wismart Solicitors. Join me this and every Friday on OT TV from 8 to 9 p.m. for all your UK immigration matters. I hope to see you there. Thank you.